Rimshot Drummer here. Marching band season. You know what that means. Ralph Hardiman's and practice pads. A practice pad for your class, your percussion class, or practice pad just to get your chops together, or just so that you don't drive your parents cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs while you're trying to practice and learn your new material. So, the product review that I want to do for you right now is the Tru-Bounce Aquarian Practice Pad. It's the Tru-Bounce Aquarian Practice Pad. It has a rubber surface, has more like a soft rubber. It's got a hard rubber surface, a soft rubber bottom to absorb shock and to keep it in place. But it also comes with a pair of these. These are a little light for my taste, but these are some 5A Aquarian drumsticks. They're black. But anyway, this is a good pad. It has good response. As you can see. Hey, Tru-Bounce Aquarian Practice Pad. Go out, get you one. You can swing by. If you're down in South Louisiana near the Mandeville, Covington area, you can go over to Lanier's Music. I'm sure you can get over to C&M. Go talk to Ray, my guy over there. But this one came from Lanier. So get you some Ralph Hardiman's. You're going to need those, especially for you high school drummers. So get you a pair of Ralph Hardiman sticks. Get you a Tru-Bounce Aquarian Practice Pad. Hey, you can do this while you're watching TV, guys. You know, you can practice your 5-stroke rolls just while you're watching TV. Nice and quiet. It's not on the drum, so it's not too loud. You can even get soft. So if you are in the living room and you're watching TV with the family, it's not going to be too loud. Or you can just practice with your dynamics. Soft. Okay, loud. Play in your room. Okay, you can put strings of 5s and 6s together. Those are 5s with 6, with a 6 at the end. So you get the gist, guys. Get a practice pad. You need the investment. You need to be able to practice even when you can't beat on a drum, particularly at school or in your percussion class. More importantly, you're going to need a practice pad for your percussion class. So hey, make it happen. Get you a practice pad. Get you a pair of Ralph Hardiman drumsticks. That's it. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, share this video with another drummer friend of yours. Support us on Patreon. Go to patreon.com if you want to see more exclusive content there. And guys, hey, this is another product review by the Rimshot Drummer. Again, we're reviewing the Tru-Bounce Aquarian Drum Pad. It comes with a pair of Aquarian drumsticks for your drum set, if you will. A little too light for marching, if you ask me. That's just my personal opinion. And get you some Ralph Hardiman. You know, they're not too heavy, they're not too light. They're just what you need for marching band to keep your wrists tight and keep them in shape. All right? All right, guys. Rimshot Drummer signing off here. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.